So let's talk about another interesting option with display ads, that is display remarketing ads. As the name says, this ad is designed for the existing target audience of our app or website. So what we will have to do is create an a website or an app audience whom we can target. There is an important criteria for any visitor who had come to our website. A cookie will be placed, and such cookie which exceed 1000 in numbers, once it is set, the remarketing ads will kick in. So what exactly remarketing ad does is, for instance, if you have visited any of the e-commerce portal and browsed a couple of products, and you tried exploring or spending time for more than, like, say 10 or 15 minutes on the site and looking at the product, and looking around with the features, reading the review and all that. So after that, once you leave the website and anywhere you go to read a content or surf the web for any different uh, pieces of content, you will get to see the ads targeted to you about the same product which you have looked on the e-commerce site. So such way you can actually prompt the users to buy your product, and you can remarket your product time and again, so that the more the time they see it, there is a chance that they would convert or go for it. So this is what remarketing ad does, and let us see how we can start creating remarketing ads. So when you're there in the dashboard, click on the tools and look for the audience manager under shared library. Now if you look at, there is an existing audience. However, I'll create a new one. I'm going to create click on plus icon, create new one using website visitors. I would name the audience so the audience could be visitors of the page, or could visit another page and who did not visit any other page, or within specified dates. So this helps if you're running any kind of promotion campaign. For now, we'll select visitors of the page, and here is the criteria which you have to define. So page URL equals to the page I would like them to visit is, let's say, if this landing page or even a product page. So I can click on the same, and if they visit any product page, I can add more conditions. So somebody visits my home page as well as the uh, product category page, I'll be targeting them with my remarketing ads, display remarketing ads. So you could check out the other options. Include people from past 30 days if the cookie is already set. So what I'll do is I'll take off the home page, and the product page is what looks relevant. I'll create an audience. I have to name the audience. So let me go ahead and name the audience. Shop T landing page hyphen 1 or target 1. Okay, I've created an audience now using the audience manager, and earlier it was required to go ahead and add a piece of code. Nowadays you can enable this with analytics. So before even doing a campaign, I have to do this basic work, and go to my analytics, click on the admin pane, and in admin pane I have to go under property and click tracking info, click on data collection, enable remarketing. So with this, analytics will help us in tracking the user cookie, and our audience will start audience defined audience will start working for us. So the audience option will start working for our remarketing campaign. Now is the time to create the campaign. So I'll select display and choose a goal, say sales. So this will be again the standard display campaign. I'll add the landing page, click on continue. The location targeting is set, language is set. So I'll leave it as conversions and automatically. So I'll punch in the daily budget. Now here is the important aspect which you have to look at to setting up the dynamic ad. Under audience, click on browse and click on how they interacted with your business. So click that, and with website visitors, under website visitors you will see your target audience. So this is how you can set the dynamic ad for. So you can see the impressions are still under 1K. That is you need minimum 1000 visitors with cookie enabled, so that you can remarket your ads to them. So that is the basic. Now since this is a display ad, again you can upload or create a new ad. I can real quickly create a new ad using already the logo and the image which I have used for the other ad. I'll use the same and create an so I'm gonna fulfill the ad copy requirements. Please bear with me. So I've added everything. Now let's check if this ad is going to work. There's one error. I think it's with the image. I have re-added the image, or added the image twice. I'll go to your assets and take off one of the image. Once it is done, save it, and I'll add to the ad group. So everything looks good. I create a campaign. So this is how I can create display remarketing ad and use it to maximize my conversions by following my existing visitors or the targeted visitors from my property.